Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today, it's a 2010 DoDge CaLiBer. AC is blowing hot air right now, so need to recharge the Freon. So that's what I'm doing. I went to Advanced Auto, got AC Pro Extreme. So basically, let me show you right here real quick. So this car, it needed about 595 grams or roughly around 18 ounces of Freon to be filled it up. Okay. So first step you want to do is you want to locate the low pressure and the high pressure hose. But to recharge the Freon, you actually do the low pressure hose. To locate the pressure hose, you actually come over here. It actually has one, say, this the small hose and a larger hose. The high pressure hose is the small one, and the low pressure hose is the bigger one, the bigger hose. Okay, so we are using the low pressure hose, and specifically, it's the only one that this will fit. It's the low pressure hose. Okay, so AC Pro Extreme, what I got. This is a 22 ounce, but I only need 18 ounce. So good thing we have the indicator when it's full. So I'm going to use that very carefully. And so basically what they want to do first is like take that out. There's an instruction for this before you use it. So you got to take this out. As you can see, unscrew and discard before use. Okay, that comes off just like that. Okay, and then what you want to do is put that back on. But before you do that, actually just screw it back on and just like that. Okay, nice and tight. So basically what you want to do is turn on the power. Is off and on power. There's switch right there. So you got to recharge the car has to be on, the AC has to be on. So that's what I'm doing before we charge it. Okay, AC's on, high fan, that. So I can see AC is pushed on. So right now it's blowing hot air. Right there, it's on. AC, that's for the inside. Okay, everything's on right now. I can feel hot heat right now. It's coming out. So leave it on, and then we're gonna have to charge. Okay. Yeah, quick one. So I was gonna show you real quick. Okay, so just shake it well and just keep pulling the trigger. All right, and then you just keep reading the indicator, make sure it goes to the green, and do not go past the like a caution or the red zone. Okay, stay in the green section, and that's all you need to do. And just keep pressing it, and about 15 seconds, just release it, shake it, and then keep pressing it again. Okay, until you get to the green section. So that's all you need to do. I can see it's very low. It's say 15 seconds to read pressure. So pull the trigger, 15 seconds and let it go. Now it's up at 12 psi. Just keep going. Shake it well. At 19. Still low, very low. and just pull it out right afterward, okay? Just pull it out. And then the AC should be nice and cool, okay? So, but do not put everything all in there. You should be only, read the indicator, it say between 26 to 50 right now, but I would like go like 40, so it would be nice and cool. And do not use it all because it should be only, let me see, what was it, 18 ounces only. This is 22 ounce. So you don't want to blow up a gasket or something, or the AC compressor gasket. So I'd rather have less pressure than more you blow up the gasket. That is how you recharge it. So thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and you take care. Thank you.